Now, today we will discuss about tracheal. Trachea is further divided into two bronchus, in which one is in left lung and another is goes to right lung. Now, these bronchus are divided into bronchioles, and these bronchioles are open into a sac-like structures. These are called alveolar sacs. In these alveolar sacs, millions of alveoli are present, which are responsible for gaseous exchange. These bronchioles open into a sac-like structure. These are called alveolar sacs, and these alveolar sacs contain millions of alveoli which are responsible for gaseous exchange. Now we will discuss about mechanism of breathing. Now we will discuss about mechanism of respiration. Mechanism of respiration include three steps. First one is mechanism of breathing. Second one is transportation of gases. And mechanism of gaseous exchange. Now, third step is cellular respiration. In first step, mechanism of breathing include two steps. First one is inhalation and second one is exhalation. In inhalation, we take oxygen or gases in our lungs, and in exhalation, we out gases from our lungs. Now, in second step, transportation of gases and mechanism of gaseous exchange, the gaseous exchange takes place. And third step, cellular respiration, means oxidation of food in the presence of oxygen in our cells. Now, first we discuss about mechanism of breathing. Mechanism of breathing include two steps. First one is inhalation and second one is exhalation. In inhalation and exhalation process, two types of muscles include that help in breathing. These are diaphragm muscles and second one is intercostal muscles. Which are present between lips. Now first we discuss about inhalation. During breathing in of air, the diaphragm and muscles attached to the ribs contract. In inhalation, during breathing in of air, the diaphragm and muscles attached to the ribs contract. And muscles attached to the ribs contract. Now, as a resultant or due to which expansion of chest cavity occur, it results increase in the volume of chest cavity. It results increase in the volume of chest cavity. So increase in the volume of chest cavity, and thus air pressure decrease. and thus air pressure decrease. As a result, air rushes into lungs. As a result, air rushes into lungs and alveolar sacs filled with air, and alveolar sacs filled with air. Now this O2 diffuses into blood and CO2 from blood diffuses out into alveolar sacs. As a result, now this O2 diffuses into blood and CO2 from blood diffuses out into alveolar sacs. Now we talk about exhalation. In exhalation process, during breathing out of air, during breathing out of air, the diaphragm and muscles relax. The diaphragm and muscles relaxed. As a result, contraction of chest cavity occurs and volume gets reduced and CO2 pushed out, and volume gets reduced and CO2 pushed out. Now we discuss about the second step, which is transportation of gases and mechanism of gaseous exchange. Transportation of gases and mechanism of gaseous exchange.